All right, keep it going straight. You're doing very well. Yep, this is a driving lesson here in Brooklyn. The student here, she's going for a road test. She's doing terrifically well. All right, so we keep it straight. You're doing very good. Good, good, good. Yep. Yep, if you guys want me to cover area as well, put in the comment below, like, share, and subscribe. This has been with Pierre Driving School. This is driving lessons in Brooklyn, New York. Those are how we deliver here. Get our student ready for the road test. The road test should be coming up soon, but she's doing an amazing job. I'm very proud of her. I mean, that's about right by now.
Well, thank you.
You're so welcome. Yeah, so welcome. Yeah. That's about right by now because she's doing a whole a lot of lesson anyway. So there's no way she has no other choice but to be good. Because the power of consistency, you can never go wrong with that. Yes, if you guys want to know about a result, put in the comment below. I'll share a result with you. If you guys want to know about a result, okay? Anything you want us to do, put in the comment below. We're going to share. It's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it
Beautiful
is.
day, yep. Beautiful day today. Good. That's good. You see, for the purpose of the road test, yellow lights mean red. Never.
Slow down.
That is correct. Go down, slow down, ready to stop. If you do run a yellow light at the road test, they will fail you the test. Okay? In real life, you do whatever you do, but for the road test, when someone sits next to you, you have to do what they want you to do to pass the test. So yellow light is one of the things that they do not want you to take because that's what the
Always
book
slow
says.
down
There you
to
go.
stop.
That is correct. That is correct. Okay, beautiful. Taking off without jerking. This is what we want. That's one of the areas you cannot be jerking too much when you're taking off on the road test. If unfamiliar with cars and its problem. Keep going straight. Beautiful. You're taking off very good. Keep straight. Keep driving. You're doing very well. Good, good, good. There you go. Listen, just showing off day today. I like that. I like that. There you go.
I'm showing off today.
I like that. I like that. I like that. This is what we like to see.
I'm just putting what you teach me into practice.
Thank you very much. Yes, folks, that's all there is to it. Put in what you've learned here, and you cannot take your road test for you not to pass. There's no way around it. That's what she's doing here. These are the things the DMV examiner looking for. It's not about driving. It's how they want you to drive to pass the test, and that's how she's performing now. Those are the things that we show you. When we teach you just thing, nice thing. Beautiful. When she teaches you those things, you do them, cannot go wrong with them. So far, she's doing very good. With confidence. That's the power of consistency. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground without you're not leaving room for anybody to fit within that gap. Exactly what she's delivered. Good, 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 good. That's right. Yeah, guys, those are how you want to deliver. Keep leaving the examiner to keep saying good, 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 good. That's what we want. They will not tell you good. They keep nodding. That's when we go in places. We're doing things that we're supposed to do. That's very good. You guys know what's going on. The car in front of us moving. She's not moving. That's the right thing to do. There's no need to move if the traffic isn't turning green yet. Okay? Perfect example. This is an advanced student. Okay? By the way, it's an advanced driving lesson. She's very advanced. But I just want to show that with you here because we're showing you beginner. We're showing you advanced, intermediate. She's advanced, which is good. You want to get advanced when you get ready to go for your road test. We don't want to leave anything to chance here. Keep going. You're doing really good. Keep pushing. Do good, good, good. Thanks. Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Anything you want us to cover, put in the comment below. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And also ring the notification squad, so you'll be notified each time a video is being dropped. And if you do have your license already, I want you to put in the comment below how many times did you do your license. I took mine 3 times. I thought I know how to drive already. I take mine 3 times before I pass. That's when this come to my understanding. It's not about driving. It's not they want you to drive to pass the test. Let me know if you've done yours, how many times you take yours, and if you did, where did you do it in Brooklyn. If you have not yet done it, you want a mock test or whatnot, check pierrepauldriving.com. We can give you a mock test to let you know exactly where you stand, what are there for you to work on. All right. Until then, you keep watching. We're gonna see more how we're gonna go with this. If you like this type of content, put in the comment. I can get you more going in that direction. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. That's correct. Beautiful.
Also, because this being a two-way, I should have angled a little bit more.
Yeah, you're still good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That I forgot. Okay. Yeah, the thing is when I'm about to turn, I have to shift my body to make sure I look to...
That's right.
Yeah.
You're gonna look and fall to your closest lane. You turn and enter. For the purpose of the road test, whenever you turn, you want to continue to drive on the closest lane you turn into. Good observation. Good. See how this car have to reverse?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go with your turn. Then have to do all this if you have to stop the correctly. Lean your car towards your right, turn the wheel. Right turn here. Turn the wheel. Beautiful. That's right. To the close. That's correct. Because he keep on the right side, making a right on the corner here. Right turn here. Right turn here. Hold back. Straight across. Keep it going. You're looking real good.
This is a stop sign.
Keep it going. Good. A lot of activities going on here.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna go around them. You know what to do. Signal all of that's correct. Let's go around them. We're gonna come up to a stop sign. We're making a right turn at the corner. Okay, we're making a right turn here. That's right.
1, 2, 3.
You can turn when you're ready. Turn the wheel. Right turn. Turn the wheel. All right. Straight across from here. Good. Good. your time nice and smooth. I'm gonna want you to pull in between these two cars to do a broken K turn, okay? Pull in over here to do a broken K turn. Okay. Beautiful. A broken K turn, all right?
So it's the same as the
3-point turn.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, a broken U-turn.
Okay.
That is correct. That's right. Yep. Lock all the way to the left. You're doing good. Okay, you already did your verification. All right. And drive, keep going across. Okay.
Just a little gas.
Yeah. All right. And reverse, yeah? And reverse. No. And reverse.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Gear selection, guys, always important, okay?
Yeah.
That's good. That's the purpose of the lesson. Beautiful. Right over here. All right. And drive. Okay. Take out that. There's no rush. Let's go. Nice and smooth. Okay. Begin to turn your wheel. Turn the wheel. Take your time. Do you have full control? Take your time. Okay. We go straight from here. Take your time here. Take your time. Go straight from here. That's all right. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Take the turn here, the closest right now. Beautiful. We're gonna go straight across here. Turn here. Stop. Beautiful. You clear? Yeah. All right, go with your turn. Turn the wheel. Beautiful. Go to the wheel and back. Okay. We continue to go from there. Going straight across. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Got to check the shoulders, okay?
Yeah.
That's okay. Hold back, keep going. Signal to go around, signal left. Take your time. Should I check your left shoulder left? Okay? That's right, keep going. That's okay. All right, keep it going. Keep it going. Cancel the signal. Thank you. Keep straight. Good. Yes, folks, you know, you always have to check the shoulders. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you don't get comfortable thinking that they don't have to the entire time until you pass your road test, okay? At the corner here, right turn. Beautiful. Make your turn. That's right. You see? That's good. Beautiful. Right back. Straight across. At the light, right turn coming up.
Okay.
Folks, like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. take care. You're doing good. Anything you want to add, or you good for now?
Okay, I'm just gonna say try Pierre Paul Driving School. They're the best. I started with no knowledge of driving, and now I'm sitting behind the wheel actually driving. So try them out. They are the best that I can think about right now, and you're in comfortable hands.
Thank you so very much. You got you it yourself. The students did it yourself. Until then, keep practicing. Take you now. Bye bye. We're going straight across. You're doing very well. Thank you. Thank you.